Hey guys, Bob here again, and today I'm holding my Arken Optics EP-5. We're going to talk a little bit about the glowing issue with the illuminating reticle. If you like this content or you find it useful, please go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons, and you will be alerted to other content that you might also find useful. So let's get right to talking about this. So the Arken Optics EP-5 as well as the SH4 Gen 2 both use the same illuminating reticle mechanisms and setups. So everything we're talking about today with the EP-5, it also applies to a SH4 Gen 2. So let's start off looking at this thing really quick before we start talking about the glowing issue. So the illuminating reticle has 6 settings with an off between each brightness setting. That's a nice feature. You don't have to go all the way around with this to shut it off each time. The reticle itself only lights up in the center crosshairs, as you can see right here. That's the only part that lights up. Your holdovers and the entire reticle do not light up. When it comes to changing the battery, it's super simple to do. This end cap right here comes off, and there is a coin style CR battery in there. This does seal really good. It's impervious to ice, water, heat. I've got some other content out there where I trash this thing pretty good, and there was never an issue with the reticle mechanism failing. So with all that out of the way, let's talk a bit about the glowing issue, as I'm calling it, on the reticle on these things. So there is some chatter that people have expressed that when the reticle is set to the brighter settings, there is a glow from the section that lights up. Now, if you look at the pictures that I'm putting up right here, you'll notice, I do agree, that there is on the higher brightness settings, at the higher magnifications, you do notice a distinct glow around that area that's lit up. Now, lower magnifications and lower brightness settings, it's not as prevalent. Your eye just doesn't pick up on it. But as you can see in the pictures up here, at the higher magnifications and higher brightness settings, it is there, no disputing that. Now, what we need to think about here is, does this glow impact your shot placement? Does it impact your ability to see the target and land shots where you want? You need to decide that. The other issue that people talk about with the illuminating reticle on the Arken Optics is the notion that only the center area is lighting up. If you're in some kind of a timed competition and you don't want to be doing adjustments on your turrets, you may find holdovers are better. And if your entire reticle doesn't light up, it may cost you some time. Hunting applications, maybe not so much. So there you have it. So I've got some pictures scrolling along right here with different magnifications and different brightness settings for you guys to look at. And you can decide, is this glowing issue enough that is going to impact your decision to purchase an Arken EP-5 or SH4 Gen 2, or use one in a target hunting situation or a hunting situation. So kept it short, kept it sweet.